Part 2, bitches. I ain't done, I ain't through with you. Come and get you, find you, kill you, missing. Yeah, find your ass like a missing persons report. Yeah, you better get your mind in order, cause if you don't, I'ma order your ass to get murdered. I ain't playing with you, I'ma show you how to get it. Kill your ass in the kitchen, chop up your liver and eat you. Bitch, I beat your ass to death until I see a piece of your flesh. Me in the flesh, I'm the devil in the flesh, and I'm better when it come to testing me, dog. I ain't playing with you, I'll kill you just to get better with it. If it is a syllable, then I'm killing them, dude, cause I ain't never been a fool. Yeah, had it all added up, and I'ma minus you niggas off of my money that I be adding up. So what the fuck? Play my game, say no names. I cut to the chase and cut through your brain. Jason style, walk down and hunt you down. And for a while, you thought you got away, but I'm here now. And I don't give a fuck, cause I'm kinda foul out my mouth, spitting out of my mouth. You talking and shit and I'm wild. Pull your whole card, or pull a bullet out and let it shoot through your heart with no stops. I don't give a fuck, man. Church man, on the bus man, on the fucking land. I'm back down with it, with the cracks and the pound with it. I don't give a fuck, boxing round by round with it. Underground living, feeling like I'm a rat up in these sewers, trying to find my manure. I do your in with your medulla, or be missing out your brain in your kitchen. I ain't tripping. For a minute thought you got away, but what the fuck they gon' say when you're missing for days? Yeah, they gon' have you on that missing report, missing persons anatomy. And you ain't in front of me, but you be after me. And I ain't tripping, cause I be laughing like, where your damn piece? You ain't got a pistol, and you ain't shot nothing. Where your clip is, it's missing something, ain't it? I pop my gun till the screws loose, and I don't give a fuck what you do. I ain't no goof truth, and if you talking shit, I will run through, scoot through, and shoot you dudes. You and your friends will die by mans, and I ain't gonna give your friends no shaking hand. I pretend, never did I. Dude, I've been fly over the clouds, I've been floating above the sky. Gotta reach out to the stars and talk to God, cause if he ain't on my team, then fuck a piece of whatever he got for me in my living. I don't give a shit, I'ma do it how I've been doing it forever. I will be forsaken. I don't care if I'm chasing the paper, cause saying fuck these haters, I'm chasing them away every day with my eraser. I'm racing them away. I got the pencil on the paper, tracing my name, trying to figure out a game to explain. I ain't changing the game, I'm not changing my name till the day that I'm gone. And I ain't blaming you lames for the game that I sang. I don't give a fuck, man. I'm spitting the fire with flames. Keep on talking, you be missing the same.